So now I'm back on page 93, and I'm just going to do at the bottom, how do we figure out if it's augmented, diminished, minor, or major? Okay, so here we go. In the key of D, this is the first one. They give you the first one, F augmented. But this next one, in the key of D, so I know it's going to be D something, right? In the key of D, F should be sharped, but it's not, so it's minor. And in the key of F, A should be natural, but it's lowered, so it's another minor. So minor plus minor equals diminished. Next one, in the key of E, G should be sharped, but it's not, so it's a minor. And in the key of G, B should be natural, which makes that a major. So that is an E major, or just plain, oh, I'm sorry, minor on the bottom, major, sorry, E minor. Next one, B. In the key of B, D should be sharped, but it's not, so it's a minor. And then in the key of D, F should be sharped, but it's not, so it's another minor. So what did two minors do? Diminished. Next one, in the key of C, E is natural. That makes that a major. And in the key of E, G sharp is in the key signature, right? In the key of E, G is sharped. So that makes that a major. So that's going to be C augmented. Here we go. In the key of F, A should be natural, but it's lowered here, so that makes it a minor. And then the key of A flat, C should be natural, and it is. So that makes that a major. So that's F minor. Next one, in the key, and I would practice these on your whiteboard because that'll be super helpful. In the key of A, C should be sharped, but it's not. It's lowered a half step, which makes that minor. And in the key of C, E should be natural, but it's been lowered a half step. That makes that minor. So that's an A diminished. Next one, in the key of G, B is natural. That makes that major. And in the key of B, D should be sharped, and it is. So that makes that major. So that's a G augmented with a plus. Last one, in the key of A flat, C is natural. That makes that a major. And in the key of C, E is natural. So that makes that major. And that's another A, but now be careful. What is your A on the bottom? Flatted. So it's got to be A flat plus augmented. And those are your answers.